1975 Honda CL360 Scrambler. We're going to do a startup. The motor's already warm. There's other videos that actually show a completely cold startup. And then this camera's kind of mounted to my my chest / chin. And we're going to take it for a drive, give you some perspective of how it runs through all the gears, how it stops, how it accelerates, etc. So to give you some detailed perspective, hopefully as if you were driving it. So here we go. Gas is already on. I'll turn the key on. I'm going to use the electric start. Kickstarter works fine. Just let it warm up just for a second here. So you can hear it. It runs really nice. I think I've said in previous videos the tachometer is lazy. Something internal lags. The cable is in good shape. I checked the cable, so the drive and the cable are all fine. It's something inside here, and the bike has been setting in a barn for the better part of 20 years, mostly untouched. So that's probably to be expected, that one of the mechanisms in here is probably corroded or dirty and creating this lag. So if you want it to be perfect, you probably have to send this gauge out and have it gone through. Blinkers work fine. Left blinker, right blinker. Brake light's working. The horn, the button's here. The horn button works. The power is going down the wire all the way to the horn on the side. The actual OEM horn, for whatever reason, is not working. It's possible somebody could take that original horn apart and maybe get it working. But anyway, the horn is right here. It's all in good order. It looks in really good shape. It just doesn't work. So here we go for a little ride. First gear. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Sixth gear. And then we'll brake. I'm going to run through the gears again. First gear. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Sixth gear. Let's slow back up a little bit. Fifth gear downshift. Fourth gear downshift. Third gear downshift. Second gear downshift. And here's all the way down to first gear. There's first gear. Like I've said before in the other videos and all my writings, the bike runs really well and shifts really well through all the gears. There's no oil leaks, no fuel leaks. It's just a really nice example of a 1975 Scrambler CL360. Here we go. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear. We're going to go out on the main road here. The speed limit is 50 mile an hour, so we're going to try to keep speed limit and keep this phone from blowing out of its holder. I've got mounted to my chest. I'm going to put the headlights on. It's getting a little bit dark. So there's the headlights on, low beams on. So you can see the headlight right there, lighting my hand up. So here we go. That's 40 mile an hour. We're in top gears. Steady. Just to give you a perspective, we're going to turn around now. No traffic, so here we go. First gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. We're in top gear. Going about 45 miles an hour, and now I'm going to take it up to, we'll see about getting it up to 50. There's 50. That's 55 miles an hour right there. So I'm going to back her down a little bit. Okay. I'm going to use the gears to downshift a little bit here, so there's 5th gear downshift, 4th gear downshift. We're going to turn back into the neighborhood here. You can hear a little bit of a squeak out of when I apply the rear brake. Just a slight little squeak right there. Doesn't do it with the front brake, so doesn't appear to be grinding or anything like that. Just a slight little squeal. So there's the test drive through the neighborhood, and then at full speed through all the gears, and running here afterwards. You can see it's just a super nice example of a scrambler. I've went through most of everything that needs to be gone through for a bike that's been sitting for 25 years. Carburetors, fuel petcocks replaced, carburetor's been tanked and cleaned, ignition's been serviced, tank's been cleaned out as best it can. It has a cream coating in it from back in the day, and I have filters in line. There's some filters right there, fuel filters. I got a couple extra filters in the line of the fuel line just to help better protect the carburetors from ever seeing anything. The petcock is new, plugs are new, engine oil's new, chain is adjusted and lubed. It just runs really well. No smoke at all. I'll rev it up here just to show you. So kind of gives you, and it's very quiet. There's no rattling, no ticking, no unusual noises for this model bike. I'm going to walk back around the other side. So it's running, headlights are on. Okay, I think that's about it. Just do one more dash look on here. Give you a close-up. I kind of twisted the throttle. Made it tone down so